Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here and you don't know me, then I'm Krishika and I know it's been a while since I last uploaded. And first of all, thank you all of you for your patience. Honestly, the past month has been a little chaotic. My routine was all over the place. I wasn't in the right frame of mind and I couldn't keep up with making videos. But this, right here, this is my comeback. From today onwards, you are going to see my daily prep video, what I am studying, how am I structuring my day, and all ups and downs in between. I have also struggled while making videos in the hostel. I was really not confident about filming around people. But now I have decided to let go fear. So starting from tomorrow, I'll be uploading my videos from hostel itself. It might be a bit chaotic, but I'm excited to be real and consistent with all of you. No more waiting for the perfect moment. That's it now. We have only 6 months left for the cat. Whether you have just started or you are feeling stuck somewhere, it's completely okay. Even I haven't covered everything yet, but I am on track now. And now I'll share daily what exactly I'm doing from topics, revision, mocks, everything. By the way, I have given 2 mocks till now. That also pre-SimCat. Yeah. And in the first one, I scored nearby 46, and in the second one, I scored something 72. So I know it's not that good scores, but it's just a little bit of improvement. And now it's been a while that I've given my last mock, so I don't know. Maybe I'm planning to give my third mock in like nearby 7th or 8th of June. I'll let you know that. So you can follow me along, prepare together, and let's stay accountable together. Let's make this 6 months rock. Let's make this our year. Let's crack CAT 2025. No excuses, no fear. So if you are ready, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you tomorrow in the first vlog. Bye bye.